G'day guys, David here, Sandgate Auto Electrics. Got the Blue Sky Caravan in today. What we've done is gone through and put a reverse camera system in it. So we'll start up the front here. What we've done here is put a water lead cable on. So obviously nice and flexible, so when you're driving along it doesn't get caught or torn on anything. Just goes to a little plug here so you can pull that off when you're not using it. Has a little cap there to keep all the dust and that out. So I've gone through, run the wiring through the A-frame of the caravan down to approximately just behind the back wheels here, where from there we've gone inside the caravan, which you'll be able to see on the photos in the job as well. So we'll run through the interior of the caravan, through all the cupboards in some nice white box conduit. We've come through round to the back where we've mounted the camera on the back. We've also fitted the reverse camera system to this car previously. So what we'll do is once now that we know that all this system's working properly, we hook the monitor up on the front. We'll get the car back in when he comes back in, picks it up today, plug it all together. Might have to make a few changes in the actual plug arrangement to make it suit this caravan. Get it all sorted and he'll be ready to drive off this afternoon. If you have any questions about reverse camera systems for your caravan, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you.